In this video, we will show you how to save Quant on your Ledger device. Probably the most secure way to preserve your cryptos is a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a small device on which you can store your cryptocurrencies. Such a device is well protected against hacker attacks. A good choice are the devices from Ledger. First, you should decide which model is right for you. At the moment, there's the Ledger Nano S and the Nano X. The Nano S costs 60 euros and can store up to 3 cryptocurrencies at the same time. The X costs 120 euros and can store up to 100 cryptos at the same time. In addition, the X has a Bluetooth function that allows you to connect your Ledger to your smartphone. Once you have decided which device you want to take, make sure that you buy only on the original website of Ledger and not at Amazon, because you take the risk of getting a manipulated device. Now to the tutorial how to save Quant on your Ledger. To do this, you open the Ledger Live app, which must be up to date. Then you have to click on Accounts. Here you have to go on Add Account. First, you have to create an Ethereum account. So you have to choose Ethereum and click Continue. Now you have to connect your Ledger to your computer or smartphone and unlock it with your key. After the loading screen, you can choose a name for the account. Now you should see your Ethereum account. Then you click again on Add Account. This time you select Quant under Crypto Assets. And then you click on Receive. Next, you have to select the Ethereum account to which you want to send your QNT tokens. There, of course, you select the currently created account and click on Continue. Now you will see the wallet address to which you have to send the tokens. Simply copy the address with the button on the right. Compare the address from the program with the address on your Ledger device. If they match, you can confirm it on your device and you have finished creating your Quant wallet. Now you just have to paste the address into your exchange and send your QNT tokens to the address. That was the Quant tutorial. If you want tutorials on other cryptos, write us a comment. Otherwise, take a look at our playlist in which we already have a few other tutorials on other currencies. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe and click on the bell.